Oh, hello! Welcome back, YouTube. How are you? Surprise, it's me. Anyways. So, we have all of this. We should have... So the compositor effect, right? And it's a compositor... Wait, not here. Like there. I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna add a new one. We are gonna have the pickup frame buffer is invalid. Parameter text is null. Okay. Frame buffer is invalid. Text is null. Pickup compositor effect. I mean, yeah, of course it's gonna be invalid. I haven't even, like, I didn't do anything. What do you want me to do? Create frame buffer. Oh, is it maybe playing already? Like, just by adding it to the camera, it's like coding those things already? Record. Oh. Okay. I'm probably gonna set it to false then. Enabled. Nope. Perfect. I'm so tired of doing cruise apps. Oh. Oh no. You should do like me and have a 19 hours work day. Player, pickup. Then you get the... Wait. Post opaque. The post opaque is the best. And... Oh yeah, but it's a bit cheaty, I forgot. I mean, whoa. Can I just do get reports, get camera 3D, compositor effect, and I guess can I get the pickup compositor? And I think I have to edit myself, but I want to edit at the right place, so this is like a bit really bad. I'm just gonna push back, and I'm gonna have the pickup compositor effect, new effect, push back, enable equal false. Here we go. We even have the effect that posts, well, callback type equal post back. But yeah, how are you doing? Is the day finally over? It's finally the weekend, right? Time to get excited. Time to get excited. Time to do things. Time to... What's going on? Let me... create... I mean, it's gonna get created automatically though, right? Is it? It's not. So we have... What do we have? Yeah, the frame buffer is not correct. Apparently. Like there. There's apparently a problem there. I'm not sure why. Because of the depth texture, maybe? But anyway, we have this. Let's say then I want to register a category. Unnamed. Yeah, that's fine. And the category is gonna be something. And it has to be... Okay, let's actually have the... We actually already have the chunk space. Let's have the space visual. There. Like this. It's gonna be this dot... Well, actually... Pick up object category. New category. And now I'm gonna bind everything. So draw equal space visual dots. Oh, I don't have the functions. Visual. So inside I have those functions. And I need the shadow path. I need to set the shadow path. But that can be fine. Let me put that there. One, two, three, four. Oop. Okay. We have all of this. Frame buffer change. We have frame buffer, like our ID. Right. Draw pickup. We have P. Same here, I suppose. P. And this should be fine. So we can bind. Register, well, draw equal draw pickup. Pre-draw. I don't even have this. On frame buffer change. On frame buffer, well, change. We have the load. So the load is going to be and it's from the space. So load pickup shader. And then we have a few arguments, okay. And then we have the preloads. Pre-draw pickup. So let me think. Space visual. This. What do I have? Pre-draw. So I do have it. Pre-draw equal this. Oop. Wait. Pre-draw pickup, right? Pre-draw pickup. Then I register the category. And everything should be good, right? So I just want to check something before. About the space visual. So we have the visual and we have, yeah, the shadow path. So let's have this And now it should be good. So I'm gonna restart. I just have to add one little shadow path. Wait, no, not this one. This one. Here I have only 2 callbacks. So I'm gonna have the third one, redraw. Redraw. And compile. And I'm just gonna compile. And now it should be good. Now it should be good. Okay. It's gonna break. We all know that. Maybe not, maybe not. Let's believe. Actually, I just realized. Actually, it's getting reset, so that might be good. Yeah, P is getting reinstantiated every time. Right now. Which is not very optimized, but should be good. See. This to this. Maybe bound to an L value. When it's trying to call the function, there's a conversion, that's not good. Oh, this one. Ref. Oh, I can't bind to... Oh, wait, no, never mind, that's a reference. So I don't really care, right? Like if I have a const here, can I do that? Yeah, I can. Okay, great. I mean, great. I mean, same here, I guess. Cube, torus, chunk space. Cube, chunk space. Oh, visual. Yep. This. Wait, override. Yeah, that's right. So I can have this. And I'm not... I was gonna say I'm not overriding anything. Yeah, I am. Cube, torus, chunk, space, visual. Same here. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Please compile. Yeah, I feel like right now I have a lot of external classes, but I might not actually want this. I might actually want to gather that into materials, custom materials, and yeah, I guess the good thing is that I really like how I'm able to make my own render path in each visual thing, basically. But maybe a callback would have been enough. Maybe not a callback, maybe, yeah, like a functor, like a class. Yeah, like a class that you can inject. That would have been good. That would have been great. That way it would have been like isolated on the render thread. I don't know. So we have all of this. Now this is supposed to be good. Let's start, please. No. Okay. It's starting well. So pushback. Wait. Yeah, let's have camera 3D, let's say. Oh yeah, it's because the compositor is null though, right? Yeah, okay, let's have a reference towards the camera of the player. Pick up render pipeline. Yeah, it's there. Oh, I forgot it's a node. This one is a node. Maybe I should have kept it as a node. Well, that's fine. Camera. Which one is it? This one? Yeah, camera. Okay, yeah. Well. Camera and core. I'm not sure. Player view. And this one, yeah. Okay. So we have this. We have the true camera. And that means we can use it. And if it doesn't have a compositor, then we add one. Hey, new. Here we go. We can try again. Okay. Draw pickup. Yep. Space visual, only one. Here we go. Please bind, please connect. Draw because it is read only. What? Wait. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Okay, my bad. Yeah, I wish I could improve things, but there's a moment where you should just go. Compositor effect. Let's go there. Let's have the set versions. Void set label in. Let's have them be references, maybe, and return. Instead, we're gonna remove this, and we're gonna do equal in. Here we go, and then we have at the top those, right? So set draw with in, and it's set to draw. Same, set, frame buffer change. The name is good. So that, yeah, I just need this, and this. Here we go. Oh no, my Godot is still open. Let's close it. And put there. Godot is not opened, perfect. Because when it's open, we can't actually open, well, we can't compile and run the editor, which is a shame. It's like blocking. Okay, so now we have the callbacks. I'm still gonna have to debug just a bit, but that's fine. And I feel like there's so much to improve, but this is gonna be good enough for now because this is maybe not performance, like best performance, but this is flexible enough. And this is what matters. This is what matters. Yeah, I should have made like some materials or something. Well, some I did like some textures. I do want to add some textures. How do you do that actually? Texture array. Anyway, so let's run. Yeah, basically I'm probably going to have an array of textures, like some kind of time map, basically. I don't have any colors anymore. That's crazy. How is it? What? Is something wrong? Player. Use pickup pipeline. So it's working, but this is valid. Wait, what? Capturing visual. Why is it so long now? 370. That's the opposite. Is now. Yeah, okay. So basically that's fine. It seems to work. But something is wrong and I don't know why much. Rebuild mesh. Rebuild mesh. So both are rebuilding the mesh. Okay. So I can go around. I don't have any colors for some reason. Yeah, what's the problem with this? It just crashed. Pipeline is invalid. Oh. Create pipeline. Is it? Pick up render pipeline 307. Wait. Yeah, I'm not using this. I'm not supposed to use this. How was it even working? Wait, how was it working? Because I'm having it here. I'm not even using this anymore. Right. That makes sense now. That makes sense. So we are gonna have a reference to the what? To the pickup compositor effect, maybe? I guess. Do I have the player? I don't. Okay. Let's do this. Actually, it extends from pickup. Wait, it does? I mean, I can always select it. Let's do this. Let's go there. Ready, no. And then I can just do pickup pipeline. I actually don't have it. Hit pickup dot. Yeah, am I registering the callbacks? Yeah, I am. Yeah, that's not the thing I wanna do though. The thing I wanna do is pickup dot effect. So we have the effect there. Okay. Dot, can I do something from it? I guess I can't. Pick up 2. Sorry about this. Here we go. Okay, maybe I still have to clean things. So... what do I have to do? I mean, actually, that's all. That's all I really have to do. Oh, I have to start it. I have to enable it. Enabled equals true. And then I get things. And that should be good. Maybe. Maybe. We can try. Let's see what it does. It's not working. Yeah, actually, I actually have a lot of errors here. Oh, so, wait. What is true? 3, okay, cube chunk visual. 370. It has to be null to not be good, so this is fine. Oh, but yeah, basically it's like stopping this. And it's like not working well. Okay. Yeah, it's finishing the thing. Got it. Yeah, it's not setting the material. Oh, there's a material. Yeah, let's go. I wonder if I can make like a custom material. I mean, probably, right? I mean, yeah, I can, of course I can. So, what could I do with this? I think I want a class that manages the different passes I'm going to make, because I want to pass like one buffer to, well, I want to pass like buffers from one pass to another. So that's gonna be useful. Let's try again. So no problem. Now I can see. Now I can left click and if I hit, performance is smooth but no hit. Because when I set to true, it's applied to any viewports it is added to. Is it actually doing some, like, anything? Enabled. Is it like calling this? Record command list. Oh, that's actually FPS. Let me actually reduce my amount of FPS. Because my computer is dying. Face to screen. Okay, this is equal. I mean, I don't have the pipeline error anymore, which is great. So that's one problem fixed, let's say. Aside from that... Aside from that, we have... I mean, we have the colors. But yeah, enable doesn't seem to do anything. Is it like sufficient to set it to enable and call it a day? Can you Should you do enabled? I mean, I guess it's supposed to be executed in this case. I'm probably gonna close and open again, but in debug mode. Ah, no. Like this, okay. Let's go. Okay. Building targets. So the materials, let me check the materials. Well, we do array of textures. Well, I actually don't know how to ask much. Because even if I have that, I need like UVs in with free coordinates, right? Actually, no, it's just the value of the cube. So I can just bind like an additional buffer. But anyways, so we are here. I'm gonna put the breakpoints. And record, no. Let's say that's good. 3, 2, 1, boom. It's not doing anything. So Godot compositor effect, how to enable and have it start getting executed. Compositor effect, you override, add it to compositor path. Wait, actually, is it even getting called? Override. It should be, right? I mean, yeah, it should be. Assign that compositor to the camera environment. And then that pushback. If I do enabled equal true, is it gonna be refreshed? I mean, I could check the code source, the source code, but yeah. However, if you directly modify the variable, yeah, but it's like in JavaScript. Oh, Velatech. Thanks. Thanks. I'm not sure. I mean, I guess I can just add it or remove it. I don't know. Had a primer, gave a primer. I might buy. Thanks a lot. See you. Enjoy. See you next time. Compositor effect. I mean, maybe I just need to remove it, really. Like, maybe I don't need this. Maybe I just need the... to enable this push effect. I don't know, man. Camera. Player view that camera. Maybe this. I don't know. Let's go there. It's not doing anything. Yeah, I don't understand. It feels like it's not calling the virtual function. Which wouldn't be surprising, but a little still. Let me actually check things a little. So let's change cameras. Let's go there. Remote. Is it even like the right camera? Compositor. Pickup. Enabled? Nope. So when I try to click, it just nope. It just nopes. What? Invalid frame buffer, text it now. Come on. Wait, does it already have one by default? Oh. Wait, that's crazy. Wait, what? It triggered frame buffer is invalid. So record. Frame buffer is invalid, basically. Parameter text is now. Wait, that's pickup compositor effect. Cool render. Wait. Wait a second. That's normal though, right? Because everything should be like not initialized at first, right? Wait, what about record command list? Where's the check about the size and stuff? For render callback. So this fits fit to screen. Why is it? Record command list. Okay. So that's like basically the first thing we're doing here. Okay, never mind. That makes sense. Yeah, I mean, of course it's gonna be invalid. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Let's main. Yeah, that's fine. Let's restart. Here we go. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna stream a lot next week. I have to practice for some exam, for some test. So I guess I'm doing what I can now. And yeah, let's see how it goes. I really want textures though. So okay, I have this. Now it should create frame buffers and basically everything good. Right? It should. I'm not saying it does, but it should. but it's not doing anything. So let's go there. Actually, yeah, I think I kind of know. So here we have all of this, and now it's getting cold. So that means it wasn't getting cold. And there's no error, but nothing happened. So I don't know what's going on. Enabled equals true. I mean, okay, but... Oh. Is it because it's like a copy or something? Do I have to... Yeah, I mean, I'm probably just gonna do it. So this.camera.compositor. Here we go. If this is null, I create it to here, so that way I can assign it here. And after that, I want to compositor dot effects dot reset resize, like clear, I guess. And then we have this dot push back the best effect ever. This one. Okay, let's try. Let's give it a try. Yeah, it feels like it was actually better before using all the good things. So yeah, it is going here. It is getting here. But for some reason, it's not gonna be activated, right? Like if I go to player, no. Current. Wait, is it not the current? Oh no, that's never mind. Remote. Compositor. We have the effect on. It's like not doing anything except clearing the background for some reason. Oh no. Wait, this will trigger a color buffer resolves before the effect is run. Okay. So what's the problem? I have some errors, I see that. So this is valid. Compositor effects 154. Oh, so this was valid. I'm not sure about that. I mean, I guess it's always going to be valid, actually. Oh, so it's never gonna draw. Texture cannot be retrieved while a draw list that uses it as part of is being created. Yeah. Yeah. So basically it's fine. I just have to be careful. P, like there, we have the end. Do we? Like call this. We have to unrender. Like here we have a p dot clear, like p dot, you know, remove unref, I guess. This should be moved to mutexes. We'll avoid more crashes. Yeah, basically I'm setting it to null. Okay, good. Good. We've counted of reference. This star. Okay. Okay, here we go. Slowly but surely. Here we go. It's not working. There's no crash though. There's no error. There's nothing. That's the problem. Texture readback. Is it readbacking anything new? Not from what I see. What about this? Remote. Player view. It's really not doing anything. That's crazy. Not doing anything. Even though it should. Let's actually, is it even running? Can I? Let's close. I'm gonna keep this enabled. And I'm gonna check with RenderDoc and other things if it's working well. Let me just do a quick check. Call if p is valid, then we return. It's just, you know, to be safe. Print line render. Invalid. Well, p valid. Okay. Oh, so it's already compiled. My bad. But okay. We have all of this. Wait, will I be able to debug if I just modified all of this? Please. Okay. So let's say we have... No. Let's actually read back. Wait. Oh, right. It has to be called right away. Right. Like this. Right. This. I'm gonna restart. I mean, I guess I had my previous pipeline that was used before. I don't know why it was taking so long though. Maybe because of... Actually, I don't know. I was gonna say the memory GPU, but I don't have that much. Okay, Godot. Here we go. Breakpoint. So yeah, I don't get there. I just don't. But yeah, maybe it's because of the virtual. If it doesn't, the issue is usually that the render states containing the compositor wasn't updated. Wait. Render state containing the compositor wasn't updated. Things you can try. Effect set enabled. Then force the viewport to redraw. First row false. So just set compositor, null, and then set it again. Yeah, let's do that. I wanted to do that, but I just cleared, but I don't think it did the thing I wanted it to do. Yeah, maybe I should have stayed with my previous approach. I mean, I guess now I have something kind of flexible. Kind of. I have a camera for the pickup, which is great. And that should work with like a bunch of different classes, as long as I implement the render passes. So, yeah. What about, wait, the editor? Oh. So yeah, I have to reset it. I'm gonna try to reset it. Compositor not clear, but because basically I think if I do a clear, it's gonna get the variable, but it's not gonna set it behind. So yeah, I think that's the problem. Okay. So. Let's change it. Something like this. With a clear null. Oh, null? Wait. Let me check again. Set environment. Oh. So like maybe this compositor equal now. And then we do maybe this. Then we create. We have the new compositor. We set the effect. And let's go. Because yeah, I'm never setting that to false now, actually. Enabled. That's like crazy. I really don't understand. It's just not getting called. What was I doing before? I mean, I guess I was... Let's try something else. Let's go there, actually. Okay, so there are things. Log. P valid. I'm not destroying anything though. But why not? Let's just start. Render valid. Wait. P valid. Render P valid. P valid. No, it's not. What the fuck is that? Oh, right. Okay. Oh, right. I get it. Yeah, what is even P, really? P instantiate. Record command list. So there. I mean, maybe I want to create another one at this rate. Let's remove it for now. Can I just ignore? Let's rebuild and reapply. Okay, so I just closed the window of Godot so it can start. And I guess I would say that's mostly it. Well, that's mostly it. I don't think we have like a lot to do. This weekend textures, we might start the procedural generation. And I want to try plants. I want to try some rendering things. Yeah, but maybe I'm not gonna have a lot of time for that. I wanna try to push the limit of performance. That's why I want a world with multiple spaces. I guess I wanna try this. So let's try again. This is gonna be bad, but this is fine. Actually, there's nothing. Oh, right. I think it's just not the same camera. It's the same effect. Or what? Oh. Compositor empty. Let's go in my player. Pick up 2. That was a bad idea. I think what I actually have to do is to this compositor. I mean, this is fine, I guess. The beginning is. We get if this is null, then we create a new. And no, we don't. But I guess we can create a new. Compositor equals compositor. Pickup effect enabled. Yeah, this one is a bit different. So I'm just gonna go with player view, that's camera, that's, well, I guess I already have the compositor. Compositor effects. And for all of those, I can... Actually, I already have the pushback. Yeah, I don't get it. Compositor is not refreshing. Although compositor is not refreshing. Here we go. First redraw. First to draw. Okay, let's try again. I'm just gonna try to take this again. Compositor, we have this. Render. Piece valid. Where the draw list that uses it as part of a frame buffer is created. Yeah. Only one draw list can be active at the same time. Yep. I know. I know, problem. I mean, I might just go with my previous method, but I feel like I changed nothing then. Like I have compositor, I mean, I guess it was working well though. I mean, it was a node instead of a reference. It was working so well. enable compositor effect set enabled. True. And when I go in, has flag enabled. Okay, so I wanna try something. I wanna look at something. Probably. But actually, why did this happen? Because I tried to do that, to change it, to turn it on myself. What if, but there. Actually, it seems to render and stuff. P is valid. Record command list. What is? 154. I mean, in this case, I guess it's just gonna be null. Right? Kind of. Well, I want it to be null. Like, what if I do p dot equal null? I guess it's fine. And if I do fit to screen. Wait, what is p again? That's the parameters, right? Wait, so p is refreshed every time, and the objects on pickup. Yeah, no, this one is fine. Texture read back. Get this. If p return. If it's not equal, we'll return. To be safe, thread safe. Brr. Inking. Down. Let's breakpoint. Because it should be new at some point. It should be now. Render. What was that? Attempted to free invalid ID. Okay. Well, it's supposed to call render though. It's not calling render. And it's like 6420. Wait, actually, never mind. I can't see that. I put render. And I guess we know where it goes. I mean, at least it's trying to render, right? I mean, I guess that's good. Yeah, let's go with like an atomic maybe. The same as the other thing. Pipeline atomic. Boom. First by default. If this is true, I return. To going on top, maybe. Wait, print line error, I guess. Then we have this equal true. And so true, we do that. Return. Then we set that to true, and we set it back to false here. Basically. Might be a few problems multi-threading wise, but I just want this boolean at least to check if things are alright or not. Because if it's, I mean, this is just a boolean, right? An atomic boolean, but a boolean. So, I mean, we should be able to get somewhere with that, right? Thinking. Then, okay. Let's go. Please. I'd like to stop on something that works. So, drawing on top. Because it's never calling the callback, or why? What's the problem? So I'm setting it through like one time, and then it's like always the same. P record command. Is it just returning? Boom. Boom. Wait, what? Oh, right, it's virtual. Yeah. Yeah. I don't get it. Is it like even like reaching this even like just one time? Yeah, it did because it got there before. Actually, it got there, but it didn't finish it. Maybe. Is drawing equals true. Yeah. Yeah. And then this equals false. I don't get it. This is crazy. This is some crazy thing. Good render callbacks. Let me check what it's doing like this. It's showing. It's supposed to be false. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna make it false before that. Fits to screen. It's gonna be false. Here we go. So this is going to be false. It's not a question, it is going to be false. So then, why is it just not doing anything? Thinking. Building. Okay, good do. So. False. I mean, I guess it has already been set, but... Okay, so it's getting here. False. Okay. So it is trying to draw. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay, what about this? It is getting here. It is getting here. Oh, oh, oh. Okay. I like that. But it is 0. Right now. But what about when... Actually, it stays 0. Interesting. Let's go there. Let's go in. This to screen. Oh, wait. It's empty. It's empty? Let me just check this. At least this. Optimize. This is optimized. How can you do that to me? Yeah, everything is optimized away. Category draw. I mean, that's a problem if I have like nothing there. Like register, pick up object category. Wait, I actually... draw, push back, and things. Okay. Let's try again. Oh, bad idea. That's fine. I just want to check if this is set or not. I don't think it's set. I think that's the problem. Okay, 20 seconds. Okay, so we have something there. We are getting something. Okay, we have stuff everywhere. Pick up object category. Is it just going to become null or something? So let's go there. Let's go. Oh. Size 0. That's why. So I guess technically I can just reset it every frame. But yeah, I have to clean that a little bit. No is empty. Maybe it wasn't a good idea to make it like a reference. How was it again? Not that. Well, a compositor effect, I guess. A resource. It feels like it stinks. It feels like I can't be sure of what the state of my class is. Pick up object categories. Yeah, you had like one pushback. I don't even have like a clear or something like that. So 100% it got removed. Oh wait, actually I have my ID. Maybe it's because of me. I just want to check one thing. Okay, editor. Let me check the materials. Photo. Pixels. Different textures. That was short. To into a large texture, no. Texture array. So I guess you can do that in the Godot thing. Set of UVs. I think you can. That's what I want to do. Texture array. Pavoxel face. And texture index. Yeah, I mean that's the same thing as this, right? Store textures in layers. Wait, in layers. Sampler to the array. Okay, sampler to the array. Got it. So, I think the problem is that I have all of this. That is great. But then I have player, all of this, compositor, and basically a lot of bad things. So I'm just gonna copy all of this and move it to the player. And that's it. And that's gonna work. Magic. So pick up compositor effect. Space visual. Wait, what is that? We have effect. We have the camera. I mean, it's just player view that camera. And all of this. Trunk space visual. Here we go. Okay, let's go. Maybe. Something like this. Compositor. Effect. Wait. So I'm just gonna register that first, and then I'm gonna push back. Please. Oh. Okay, that's good. That's good. If it's crashing there. Boom. Driving on top. Going on top. This is true. And it never becomes false. There's a problem. Oh, crash. Nope. Not a crash. Player GD, wait, what? Player GD 236. No. Wait. So I create a new compositor. I push back effect. Oh, do I? Oh no. I don't. I create a new compositor again. I mean, I guess I create it. I mean, I guess it depends. Let's do something simple. I create it. Oh, enable the equals true. It has to be true. And then opaque. If this is null, we create category. We register the category. We load and we push back the effect. I don't know what's going on. I just want to go back to the previous implementation, I must. Because, I mean, it was still working, actually. You know what? Let's go to this. Pick up pipeline. I know. This. Okay. We have the pickup. And I don't remember what there was here. There was something, but I don't remember what. Maybe something like really simple. Oh, this, right. Yeah, this is fine. Texture can't be retrieved. Oh no, crash. Invalid or ID, wait. No! Can I reset? I guess it's invalid by default. I don't have anything here for the name. Maybe I do want something. Maybe I don't. Unhit. Like hit. We have a net click. Then we try to execute the pipeline. And maybe that's it. Do I have to... Am I assigning it to the camera? Or something? So if click... No. To execute. But what about the registration? How am I registering again? Pick up from the pipeline. And now record, create, prepare. Yeah. Chunks, there was something with chunks. That's chunks. Yeah. So where am I setting the chunks? Never. What about here? Generate all chunks. This pickup pipeline chunks equal this. Create shader, vertex attribute. New simulation group. Right, my collisions are broken too. I reparent to the simulation group. And I do things. Yeah, basically that's like the collisions. That's not a big deal. Pickup pipeline that chunks equal chunks. I don't get it. Let's go back there. Let's go to the draw maybe. Because I think it's supposed to be fine. Like record, maybe. Let's just open this one time. Okay. Okay, crash. Record command lists. Pick up compositor effect. Yeah. So I guess I'm just gonna disable. Wait, disable? Wait. Let me go here. Pick up pipeline. execute. Yeah, what about the camera? Is it like already... Shit. Wait, there's actually a untextured read back there. That's crazy. Let's just remove it. Pipeline is invalid. That's fine. That's not fine. Yeah, that was working fine. Let me just go there. Accept game. Yeah, what do I have logs? A pickup pipeline can now remove cubes with one. Yeah, okay, okay, I have it there too. So status. Git diff, render pipeline. Okay. Yeah, basically didn't really modify those things. From what I can see. So what about those? Can I just reset this and have it just work? I do have a game manager that I'm not using. Boom. Yeah, what even is that? Wait, what? Oh, I forgot to push that. Oh no. Oh no. Pick up shader. Update. Wow. Here we go. Let's just go. Let me just go there. And I'm gonna add this. Then I'm gonna stash. Well, those basically. Okay. Reload from disk. Let's try again. Pipeline is invalid. Parameter pickup is now. Texture cannot be retrieved. Only one row list can be active at a time. Ah! Yeah, no, it's not working. Hey, great. Maybe I just have to give up. I don't have the time. I realize I don't have the time for anything. I just don't have the time. I mean, I think I'm gonna get some inspiration or something. from what I did, and I'm gonna transform my current class that works into this. Let me git stash pop and so rework render pipeline. You're gonna have this. Okay. It's basically gonna be voxel this maybe. Which is it? Pipeline. Well, what was the name? Pickup compositor effects palette. Maybe something like this, okay? And I'm probably gonna do the same with... Whoa. With this. Maybe I don't need the game manager. I don't think I do. I don't know what it is. Reload. Oh, right, it's this. Yeah, I mean, I have nothing there. So I'm just gonna... I mean, I guess I'm still gonna add this one. And the main. And I'm gonna have the same. Push. Let's close this. Let's check out master. Let's check out master. Let's build this. And let's just try one more time. You know, like it's supposed to work. And we're just gonna finish on that. We're just gonna finish on something that works. Because I spent way too long trying to fix something that was already working. And that wasn't actually that bad on a lot of points. Wow. I mean, it was still kind of bad, but that's fine. Yeah, I just have to make it a bit more flexible towards the thing that already exists, and I guess that's it. Okay, here we go. Loading. Compositor. Where do I have this? Game manager. Oh, that's fine. Use this. Register pickup. It's not working. It's because I didn't add this, maybe? For every chunk. Pick up 2. Register callback. What was that? Pick up. I mean... Actually, this seems like the kind of thing that would work. Because, wait, you have... Pick up object category. Well, okay, let's just set this. It's not working. Pipeline is invalid. What do you mean? What do you mean? Pick up render pipeline.cpp 307. Wait, this one is the most important. 459. This is none. Oh, okay. Wait. Is it? It shouldn't be. Oh, wait. Pick up. Oh. Huh? It just disappeared. I had like a pickup class and it just disappeared. Let's pick up 2 again. Well, let's go there. So we have pick out inputs, outputs. Yeah, it's with this script. And there's a register pickup. And there's something, basically. Did I just remove it? Wait, it's not set up, is it? Yep. Space. I'm just gonna set everything, I suppose. Yeah. Okay. Pipeline is invalid. This is fine. Wait, oh! Okay, it works now. It finally works. It finally works again. Oh shit. Okay, I'm so happy. Okay, let's say this is fine. So I'm gonna keep this architecture, let's say. And I was gonna say maybe evolve it a little. I'm not sure. Maybe I'm just gonna go on something else next time. Like textures. Because, yeah. because I don't want to deal with it. So engine is good, but this requires, I'm just gonna push this maybe, and this. And I guess that's mostly it. Poster effects, no. Yeah, let's just do that. Main fixed for working pickup shader. Well, main, well, old pickup fixed, let's say. Okay, here we go. Here we go, here we go. And that's today. Thank you a lot for watching. That was me. That was Prags. And see you next time. Wait, I'm gonna raid someone. Oh no, ads. Ah! Here we go. Enjoy, people.